How to restore deleted Canva projects on PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the left hand sidebar, click on the three horizontal line and click on the trash at the bottom. This is where all your deleted designs and projects are stored. Browse through the list of deleted projects and locate the one you want to restore. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find your design. Once you find your deleted project, hover over it and click the three-dot menu. From the options, select Restore. The project will now be moved back to your recent design section and will be available for editing just like before. Keep in mind that deleted designs stay in the trash for 30 days only. After that, they are permanently removed and cannot be recovered. By restoring a deleted Canva project, you can continue working on your design without having to start from scratch. Now you know how to easily restore deleted Canva project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.